Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials. You own the time machine building and have roughly 1e6 cookies ready. This prevents stalled progression. Once confirmed, close background scripts and disable golden cookie auto-clickers so clicks don't mess with timing. Begin by buying the first time machine and then purchase its earliest upgrades. These create the temporal boost you need. Keep an eye on the building count and upgrade cost spikes. Make sure to lock in cheapest upgrades before they scale. Once done with the initial buys, focus on the upgrade chain. Buy sequential time machine upgrades that increase production and frequency. You should plan ascensions around heavenly chips. Aim for 1 to 3 strategic ascensions so time machine bonuses compound without wasting resets. While executing, watch cookies per second closely and toggle spending between immediate buys and reserve for a key upgrade. If you see diminishing returns, pause purchases. Instead, farm cookies until the next upgrade becomes cost-effective. You finish by buying the remaining high-tier time machine upgrades and verifying that their buffs are active in your stats. This is when the full temporal multiplier kicks in. If progress stalls after purchases, reload the game, clear cache, or toggle legacy mode to reset calculation oddities. Make sure mods or auto-clickers aren't interfering. Disable them briefly to isolate issues. Lastly, if CPS looks wrong, recount buildings and upgrades. A mismatched mod or server lag is often the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.